Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this super simple, fast makeup look for a sick day, so if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep on watching. First off, I went in with the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in the shade Ivory, and I just buffed that into my skin using the AOA F1 brush. I personally have been sick recently, so that's why I failed to post on Tuesday because I just spiked a really high fever on Sunday and felt like crap the following days, so I didn't really get a chance to edit. But now my household is on the mend, so I'm feeling much better, so hopefully I'll just start cranking out some good videos for you guys. Next for concealer, I went in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I think this is in the shade C2. I'll have it listed down in the comments below. But then I put that under my eyes, and I also put that on the lids of my eyes, obviously. And then I'll blend that in using a dense tapered face brush. And I put concealer on my eyes when I'm ill because I do get kind of like a discoloration going on when I'm not feeling well on my eyelids. Your voice used to keep me warm. And then to set all of that into place, I used the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Transparent. This is a brand new one because I could not find my one that was almost empty. So I just decided to open the unopened one that I had bought recently. And I just use that to set all that concealer and foundation. Now, normally when I am sick, I do not wear eyeshadow, so I'm not going to be wearing eyeshadow in this look. I really just do, well, I always wear my eyebrows. That's one thing I will not go without if I'm going out and I want to throw something on. I definitely need my eyebrows, but I pretty much just stick to my base, eyebrows, and lips, and a little mascara, and you'll just see what I do. Next, I went in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight, using a fluffy angled face brush, and I use that to bronze up my cheekbones. And I normally forego blush when I'm not feeling well. I just throw a little bronzer on just to give my skin a little life. Sometimes I will use blush, but then most of the times I don't. Used to be the color of the truth in our lives. And then for highlight, I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals, using the Luxie Tapered Highlighting Brush, and highlighted my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. I don't know if there's something in the air, but I live in Wisconsin, and my best friend, Elizabeth, she actually has a YouTube. She does family vlogs and challenges. Her name is the Jameson 5 here on YouTube. I'll have her link down below. But she, all the way in California, got sick too, with pretty much almost identical symptoms, but not quite exactly the same thing because my family had strep. And then I just used a bit of that highlighter for my inner corners too to make myself look a little more awake and a little less sick. And then I went in with the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and all I do is coat my top lashes when I'm not wearing eyeshadow just to give my lashes a little more fullness. But I don't really like to put it on my lower lashes when I don't have eyeshadow on because I think it just looks almost like a little too much for me. Boy, you set my world on fire, you made me regret my desire. No, we're young, lost, so lost. And then finally for lips, I went in with the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Gloss. Oh boy, why is this name evading me right now? Yeah, Snuggle? I think it's called Snuggle. If it's not, then I'll have that link down in the description as well. And then I just threw that on my lips. And that completes this really super simple sick day makeup. I know this was a short video, but if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.